Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a beautiful way to make your butternut mash. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now we're gonna get started by cutting our butternut into half, and we're going to remove all the seeds from the butternut. Now you can preserve these butternuts, dry them out, and you can roast them, some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic, and you can have them as a snack. Now we're going to smear our butternut with a little bit of oil because we don't want the butternut to dry out in the oven. So just make sure you be generous with that oil. Alright, we're also gonna use some crushed garlic and ginger. We're just gonna place it all over the butternut. Finally, you're gonna go ahead and season with some salt and black pepper. Now we're going to roast or bake our butternut in the oven. I find that this is the best way to prepare your mashed butternut because one, I remember I struggled for a long time to cook butternut because I would always want to drench it in water, not knowing that the butternut can release its own water. And the other thing is that it takes a lot of time you need to keep checking on it. You need to get the temperature right, because if you don't want to add a liquid in there, you don't want it to burn, so you need to also to get the liquid right. So this one, you can just season your butternut, let it be in the oven 180 degrees Celsius 45 minutes to an hour, and you can absolutely forget about it. You don't need to keep checking on it. You just need to every 30 minutes or so check if it's done. Then you take it out, you scoop out the butternut from the casings, you mash your butternut, and the beauty is that all the flavor is preserved. You don't have to add any sugar. The flavor is so superb. That's it for now, guys. Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy.